Hi, my name is Hemachandra Venkatakumar. I am PMP Certified Project Management Professional Trainer. So today we will discuss about the overview of the PMP certifications. Means what is the timelines of the PMP certification and continuation of PMP certification. How long PMP certification is valid, credential is valid. All these things we'll see now. First of all, what we have to do is we have to register into PMI website. That is www.pmi.org. You have to register into the website and you have to take a membership. What is the membership? There are a lot of advantages of that membership. First thing is you can download a free copy of PMBOK book and you will be connected to the local chapters where you will get webinars and all. With the webinars you will be updated with the PMP knowledge areas. All these lot of advantages are there. So cost of the PMP membership is $121. And one more thing is, if you take this membership by paying $121, you will get a discount of $150 for the exam fee. For the members, PMP exam fee is $405. For non-members, it is $555. So there is a discount of $150. And now we will see how to submit application. Once you start applying for PMP exam on the website, you have to go to application submission, and once you start the application you have to fill all the details like your educational details, experience details, all these things. And once you start, you will have 90 days to submit the application. So within the 90 days you have to submit the application, you have to complete the application. In the meantime, every day, I think every alternate day, you will get a reminder from PMI that your application status is pending. So once you complete the submission, then the PMI will take 5 days for review your application. And there is one more thing in this application submission process. If you select for audit, if you get selected for audit, you will have 90 days to submit the required documents which are asked by PMI. Once you submit the application, all the audit process will be initiated, and then you will have they will take 5 to 7 days to complete the audit process. And after that you have to pay the application fees, and only after paying application fees you can schedule for the exam. And once you submit the application form and it get approved, you will have 1 year time to take the exam. You can take 3 times in 1 year. That means if you not clear first time, again you will be having 2 attempts in that same year. But to take re-exam you have to pay $275. Now we will see credential maintenance. You have to get 60 PDUs. PDUs means professional development units in the 3 years of cycle, and you have to report that in the website to continue the credential maintenance. How you will get 60 PDUs? You have to attend the webinars and you have to attend the seminars. If you connect to the local chapters, they will organize every alternate month one meeting. If you attend that meeting, you will get 2 PDUs. If you attend any webinars for 1 hour, you will get 1 PDU. So by attending these seminars and webinars, you will get PDUs, and you have to report that PDUs in the website. Then credential can be renewed after reporting 60 PDUs by paying renewal fees. Say suppose in 60 PDUs you have not reported within 3 years, and your credential will be suspended for 1 year if not renewed. Then what happens? Credential will be expired if you don't renew within the suspension period, and if you want to credential again, you have to reapply and you have to write the exam again. So hope this information is useful for you. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment box. I will be glad to help you. Thank you for watching. Once again, my name is Hemachandra Venkatakumar. I am PMP certified product management professional and trainer. Very soon I am going to launch PM for more information on this. Thank you very much.